Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu speaking lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's count in Urdu from 1 to 26. 1. एक 2 दो 3 तीन 4 चार 5 पाँच 6 छः 7 सात 8 आठ 9 नौ 10 दस 11 ग्यारह 12 बारह 13 तेरह 14 चौदह 15 पंद्रह 16 सोलह 17 सत्रह 18 अठारह 19 उन्नीस 20 बीस 21 इक्कीस 22 बाईस 23 तेईस 24 चौबीस 25 पच्चीस 26 छब्बीस. Repeat many times for better practice. Alright? Okay, now let's say I or I am in Urdu. In English we say I or I am, and in Urdu we say मैं. Then in English we say you, and in Urdu आप. Then in English we say and in Urdu it is or. Then we say I and you, and in Urdu it is मैं or आप. Now let's repeat one more time. We say I or I am. In Urdu we say मैं. Then in English we say you, and in Urdu it is आप. Then in English we say and in Urdu it is or. Then in English we say I and you, and in Urdu it is मैं or आप. Repeat many times for practice. Okay, all right, now let's learn a few more words. So how do we say this in Urdu? So in English, when something is close to us and there is one thing and it is near to us and we are talking about that thing, we say this, and that is in English. And in Urdu we say ye, ye. Then when something or someone is far away and it is one thing or one person, we say that. For far away or distant things, we say that. And in Urdu it is wo, wo. Then we say what? We ask a question, we say what? And in Urdu it is kya, kya. Then we say thank you in English, thank you. And in Urdu it is shukriya, shukriya. Let's repeat one more time. In English, for the things that are close to us and it is one, we say this. And in Urdu it is ye. Then for the thing that is far away and is one in number, a thing or maybe a person, and is far away from us, we say that. And in Urdu we say wo. Then we ask a question, we say what? And that is in English, we say what? And in Urdu it is kya, kya. Then we say thank you, thank you, and that is in English. And in Urdu we say shukriya, shukriya. Repeat many times for better practice, alright? Okay, so this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Watch this video, repeat after me, and revise well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.